Hi, Ronan.
Hi.
How do you feel today?
Amazing. I feel absolutely amazing. I love my makeup. She did an amazing job.
Describe today's weather.
It's finally nice outside in New York. It's sunny, there's a little breeze. It's perfect outside. Perfect.
What is fluffy?
Fluffy? Fluffy is my hair. It's fluffy. Fluffy is these makeup brushes that are in front of me. And dogs. Food. Food shouldn't be fluffy. Did you say food?
Yes, it is.
Oh yeah, like little cream pies, those are fluffy. Cake. I guess cake is fluffy.
What is your favorite things to do?
I like to sit at home and watch TV with my dog. That's my favorite thing to do.